here. So guys, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing this LED light. It's a multicolored and remote control LED light. So guys, let's get started. This is the packet we get. On the back of the packet we get some of the specification. So this is the remote. We get 24 keys and 24 modes in this. It's a 12 volt and 2 watt power LED light. So now let's open it up. So yeah, here are 2 LED lights present. Each have 6 LEDs in it, 3 on the front and 3 on the back. And here we have the infrared sensor. And here is the remote. We get 24 modes in this. We can change color according to our preferences. These 4 are the modes. It's an RGB LED light. So let's see what are the keys we have in this remote. These 2 are the brightness keys. By pressing it, we can increase or decrease the brightness of the LED. And this is the off and this is the on button. And we have the red, green, purple and white color. And here is the flash mode and strobe and fade and smooth mode. There are 4 modes and there are different color modes available. It is powered with a battery. It has an inbuilt battery. We also have a cover. If we are not using the remote, we can put this plastic on it, and where we are using it, we can remove it. So these 2 are connected with the battery. So now let's test it, how it performs. So this is the first function. We can switch on the light with the help of the remote. And also we can turn off the light with the help of the remote. We can also adjust the brightness of the light. This is the lowest. And this is the highest. There are different color options available in this remote. There is red, green, purple and many more. There is also yellow. These are the color options. And now we will go ahead with the modes. We have 4 modes: the flash mode, the second, the strobe mode, and the third is the fade mode. Now the 4th mode is the smooth mode. So guys, now I have turned off all the lights. Now let's test the brightness. Oh, it's too bright. You can see the whole area is covered with light. When we press the color once, it turns the color, and when we press it once more, the LED starts blinking. Now the red, the white, that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.